Hey guys, if you want to learn this simple eye makeup look, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with this LA Girl Pro Conceal and applying it all over my eyelids. This will hide all the redness and darkness around your skin, and it will create a smooth base for the eyeshadow. Next, I'm grabbing some setting powder and applying it all over my eyelids. This will help the eyeshadow to glide on properly. For eyeshadow, today I'm taking this Morphe X James Charles palette and grabbing this brown shade. I'm applying a small winged liner with a flat brush. Then I make this liner as thin as possible and gradually build the color. I'm applying small amount of it and building it. Next, I will smooth this all out so that it's seamless. I will blend this as much as possible for that smooth finish. Then I'm grabbing this gold shimmer and with my fingers I apply it all over my eyelids. This will create a subtle makeup look, and then I'll be taking a fluffy brush to blend it out. I'm taking this flat brush under my lower lashes, smoke out the brown eyeshadow. I'm applying it on my outer corners only, and then I'm going with a fluffy brush to blend this out. This will create a seamless finish. Then for mascara, I'm grabbing this Maybelline Sky High Mascara and I apply it on my upper lashes as well as lower lashes. You can stop here or also apply some falsies. This is how the look turned out to be. It's really simple and very easy, and you can do this in everyday eye makeup look as well. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel if you learned something from this video, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.